I hope you hit those gold streets on two wheels. Hope your mansion in the sky's got a 10-acre field with some mud and some hubs you can lock in. Make some thunder, make them wonder how you got in. Hide your beer, hide your clear from the man upstairs. Crank it loud, hold it down till I get there. When I do, I hope you got some new stories to tell. Till then, give heaven some hell. Hey everyone, Blaze will Plays Guitar Lessons. Thanks so much for watching. I want to teach you how to play this awesome new song by Hardy called Give Heaven Some Hell. I don't know, I like this song. So anyway, I've never had a drop of alcohol in my life. That's not true. When I was 4 I did, but wasn't intentional. So anyway, this is a great song. I love it. It is Hardy's new song. So, capo on the 4th fret, standard tuning. It's really easy to play, but thank you so much for subscribing, those of you who have, and for commenting and stuff. If you have song requests, let me know in the comments. And also let me know in the comments how long you've been playing guitar for. If you've been playing for like a month, or if you've been playing for 6 months, or 6 years, or 15 years, or whatever. I've been playing for like 16 years. So now you know. But anyway, let me know in the comments how long you've been playing for. Or if you're just a spectator. But also, please subscribe so you can get notified when and hit like so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials in the future, okay? Alright, now let's get into this song, alright? Let's give heaven some hell. So, here's how you're going to start the song. The song starts with G. Okay, so you're just doing down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And especially at the beginning, I'd probably mainly do the bottom 4 strings. So D, G, B, little E, okay? So I'd probably just mainly do those, but it's fine if you want to do all of them. Okay, so you can just do that. You shoot down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you're just going to do that. Alright, and you're going to do it a little bit louder for the intro part. So for the intro part, you can do all of them. Alright, but then when you go to the verses, that's where I would only do the bottom 4 strings, okay? So you're going to do this for a while. It says that you're supposed to do like 6 measures. I mean, if you're just playing this by yourself, you don't need to do that. So just do, alright, and then you're going to do C, G. Okay, and then so you just do G for like a few measures, and then do C, C, okay, and then you're gonna go back to G after like 1 or 2 measures. Okay, you're gonna go softer. Remember this way you did the bottom ones. Okay, can't believe that you got me in a suit and tie. Okay, so you're just doing G for can't believe you got. So can't believe you got me in a suit and tie. Had to take a pull so I wouldn't cry. So you're still doing it here, still just G, okay? You gotta line out the church door saying goodbye. So it's not until goodbye is where you do C, and you're just gonna do goodbye. Then you go back to G. Yeah, I believe them when they say you're in a better place. Then you go to C right after place, okay? You had a wild side, but you had a maze. So on amazing, you're gonna do D. Amazing grace, and grace is E minor. Okay, so that's you had a wild side, but you had amazing D. Grace, E minor, stay on E minor. I know you're way off up in them clouds, but if okay, so after if you're gonna do C. You can still hear me right now. Okay, so you can go, then you'll go to A. Now. Alright, or you can just stay with C. Now. Okay, and then I would mute it right before you go into the chorus, okay? So you'll do A, C, then you're gonna go to G. Or you can just go straight into G, okay? So because you're playing acoustic, it doesn't have to be exactly the same as like the album, okay? Then you're gonna go G, so the chorus is gonna be the same strumming pattern, but it's gonna be louder. The first one he doesn't do way louder, but I would do a little bit louder than the verses. So you're gonna go G, A minor. This is faster than the actual chord progression. I'm just showing you the chords. You're going to use G, A minor 7, E minor, C. Okay? So you're going to go, I hope you, so you do G on I. I hope you hit those gold streets on 2 wheels. Okay, then after wheels, you're going to go to A minor 7. A minor 7 is really easy. It's just the same as A minor, but you're just not going to use your ring finger, okay? So just like that. So you're going to go, I hope your mansion in the sky's got a 10-acre field. Okay, field is E minor. Field with some mud and some hubs you can lock in. Okay, after in, you're gonna do C. Make some thunder, make 'em wonder how you got in. Then you go to G, okay? Hide your beer, hide your clear from the man upstairs. So on upstairs, stairs where you do A minor 7. Stairs, crank it loud, hold it down till I get there. When I do, so on there you do E minor, okay? There, and when I do, I hope you got some new stories to tell. So tell is C. Tell then. So in the first chorus, you're gonna mute on till then. So you go till then, give heaven some hell, and then on hell you start doing G again. The other choruses you don't mute it. You'll just go till then, give heaven some hell. Okay. Now the intermediate part in between the chorus, the first chorus and the second verse, you're just going to do the same thing, the same chord progression you did through the chorus. You're just going to do G, all right, then A minor, E minor, C, all right. Now I'm going to show you how you go from that. So you go from that to the next verse. You go, I bet you're looking for a crew like we had. A minor 7, bunch of noise making boys that like to live fast. Burning rubber in a parking. So that's A minor on burning. Burning rubber in a parking lot. Man, I don't know if the other side's ready or not. But then you go to the chorus, okay? I hope you hit those gold streets on 2 wheels. Hope your mansion in the sky's got a 10-acre field with some mud and some hubs you can lock in. Make some thunder, make 'em wonder how you got in. Hide your beer, hide your clear from the man upstairs. Crank it loud, hold it down till I get there. When I do, I hope you got some new stories to tell. Till then, give heaven some hell. Okay, so after that chorus right there, so after the second chorus, you're just going to go straight into the bridge. Okay, so the bridge is the same thing, same strumming pattern. You're just going to do, I was there when you raised your hand. Okay, then instead of doing A minor 7 in the bridge, you're just going to do A minor. Okay, so just add your ring finger in there. Heads about singing just as I am. Okay, then E minor on walking. Walking that aisle, praying that prayer, man. Okay, so man is C. Man, it ain't right, but if you gotta be there. Okay, so for then this chorus, you're gonna play a little bit softer. You're gonna go like kind of like you did the first one, but a little bit softer for the first half of it. I hope you hit those gold streets on 2 wheels. Hope your mansion in the sky's got a 10-acre field with some mud and some hubs you can lock in. Make some thunder, make 'em wonder how you got in. Okay, so that's what I would do. I would do mute. You can mute it either way. I actually usually mute it like this, but and then you can go hide your beer, and then you go louder again for the last chorus. All right. Then the outro is just the same thing. It's just that G, A minor, E minor, C. And you go. But till then, give heaven some hell. And then for this, you're going to end it just like you started it. You're going to do G for a while, C, and G. Okay, kind of look at. So that's how you play that song. Super easy, really. It's just a great song. I love it. So I always love songs that are a little bit deeper, but I also love the party songs too. So whatever. Anyway, I hope you guys had a good time. I hope this helped you learn it. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I'll see you next time.